I'm in here because I can't get through my front door. The screen door, I don't know if it's open or locked.
All right.
But I know the door is definitely locked. I think I locked the top, whatever they call that, and the bottom.
All right.
So what I gotta do now? Because I can't get out the garage.
All right. So she's stuck in her backyard and garage. Let's see. I should be able to just open this by. I don't. This isn't what this is made for, but there we go. So the doorknob's definitely locked, and I guess we'll see if the deadbolt is locked. That just turned all the way around. Alright, the deadbolt's locked too. Alright, I think what she means is that the garage door has a twist lock on the inside. She said walk inside to the left.
Oh my God!
There we go.
Oh my God!
All right.
I'm gonna get them locks changed though.
I
Can I
understand.
get locks changed where it's all the same?
Absolutely. Yes.
I'm saying thank you, please.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah.
I heard someone was hungry.
You know, I want milk with my cereal. Dude.
But we were stuck here forever.
Well, I'm glad I could help out.